Today's story is Jim's Pig. In this story, we're going to see some sight words. Our first sight word is the word has. The word has a heart under the S because the S makes the Z sound. Some words that end in S make a Z sound at the end. Has. The next sight word is another example of the same pattern. His is a word where the S at the end makes a Z sound. Has, his. We need to remember the S makes the Z sound. That is why there is a heart there. The next word is likes. The I says its name, likes, and the E is silent. That's why there are hearts there. We need to remember those things by heart. The last word on this line is what. What is a sight word because the WH is a digraph that says W and the A says what. Let's look at some more words. This is the word the. The TH is a digraph. It says the. The E says the. This is the word will. In the word will, we have a heart under the L's because there are two L's and they make the L sound. Will. This is the word see. There's a heart under the E's because two E's are making the E sound. E, see. Now we're going to take a look at some words that are in our story, Jim's Pig, but they are CVC words. When you see CVC words in our story, you are going to sound it out. That means you're going to say each sound that you see and then blend them together to make the word. Let's try this word. J, I, M's, Jim's. Say the sounds with me. J, I, M's, Jim's. Let's do the next one. Say the sounds with me. F, ig, fig. Y, yum. P, it, pit. F, ill, fill. Notice fill has two L's at the end, just like the word will. Now get out your sheet that looks like this, and we're going to play a little game with our sight words. You are going to play the game Beat the Teacher. You will try to say the word before I do. Then I'll say the word, and if you said it correctly, then highlight the word. Do one quick line right across the word to highlight. Let's begin with our first word. When I point to it, I'm going to have you say it out loud, and then wait for me to repeat it after you. Go ahead and say the first word. This is the word has. Take your highlighter and highlight once across if you said has before me. Look at the next word. Say it out loud. This is the word his. Draw one line across with your highlighter if you said his before me. Say the next word. The next word is likes. Draw one line across with your highlighter if you said likes before me. Say the next word. The next word is what. Highlight if you said it before me. Say the next word. The next word is the. Highlight it if you said it before me. Say the next word. This word is will. Highlight it if you said will before I did. Say the next word. This is the word see. Highlight the word if you said it before me. Now you're going to count up how many words in this column you have highlighted. You're going to write the number right here where it says score. So for example, if I said has and his before Mrs. Casillas and I beat the teacher, I would write 2 down here. Count up your words now and write the number right here. Now we're going to play again. This time you're going to try to beat your score. So if I got 2 on the first round, I want to say more words and beat the teacher and get more than 2 words correct this time. This time I'm going to point, and when I point to the word, you're going to say it out loud. Here we go. Ready? Say the word. Has. And you're going to highlight it if you got it correct before me. Let's do the same thing the whole way down. I'll point and say the word, and you say it before me and highlight if you got it correct. Here we go. Say the word. His. Say the next word. Likes. Say the word. What? Say the next word. The. Say the word. Will. Say the word. See. Now count up how many of these words you had correct and write the number here where it says score. Look and see if you got more words correct than the first time you did it. Let's try this one more time and see if you can beat your score. Get ready and say the first word out loud now. Go ahead. Has. Next word. His. Say the next word. Likes. Say the next word. What? Next word. The. Say the word. Will. And the last word. See. Count up how many you had correct and write your score here. Were you able to say all 7 and beat the teacher? All right, let's play another game with our sight words. So we'll be looking at your sight word page that we just used, so this list here, as we play our game. In this game, you are going to try to find the sight words in our book before I say them. I'm going to be reading the book, and you're going to be looking for sight words. Jim's pig. On your first page of the book, you are going to see 2 sight words. Look for them now as I read. Jim has a pig. His pig is Kip. Say the 2 sight words that you found. Did you find has and his? Nice work. On our second page, we have 3 sight words. Look for them as I read. Kip the pig likes figs. He bit the fig. Yum. If I didn't know how to say this word, it's a CVC word with a vowel in the middle. I could sound it out. Yum. When you get to words like this that are CVC words with 3 letters with a vowel in the middle, you can sound them out too. All right, back to our sight words. There were 3 of them on this page. Were you able to find them? They are the words the, likes, and the. On this page, there's 1 sight word. Look for it as I read. Kip is a big pig. He likes to dig. What was the sight word on this page? That's right, it was likes. On this page, you will find 3 sight words. Kip will dig and dig. Jim will see Kip dig. What were the 3 sight words that you found? Say them now. Will, and see are 3 sight words. On this page, you'll find 3 more sight words. Look for them now. Kip will dig a big pit. What is in the big pit? It is a fig. Say the 3 sight words that you found. Did you find will, what, and the? All right, last page, word detectives. Be looking for the sight words. Ready? Here we go. There's 4 of them on this page. Jim will fill the pit. Kip will nip the fig. Yum. The sight words I found were will, the, will, and the. Did you find them too? Great work. We're going to practice putting everything together. We'll practice sounding out CVC words and reading our sight words. We're going to read this book and we're going to read it together. So as I'm pointing, you're going to say the words right along with me. Ready? Say the words. Jim's pig. Jim has a pig. His pig is Kip. Kip the pig likes figs. He bit the fig. Yum. Kip is a big pig. He likes to dig. Kip will dig and dig. Jim will see Kip dig. Kip will dig a big pit. What is in the big pit? It is a fig. Jim will fill the pit. Kip will nip the fig. Yum. Great reading with me. Now we're going to do duet reading. This is when I read a word and you read the other word. And we go every other word. So I would read Jim's, you would read pig. Then you would read Jim, I read has, and so on. Ready? Let's try it out. I'll read the words that are white, you read the words that are yellow. Ready? Jim's, Jim, his, is, Kip, pig, figs. Bit, fig. Now you're going to start. Is, big, he, two. Great work. Go ahead and start this page now. Will, and, Jim, see, dig. Go ahead and read. Will, a pit. Is the pit. Is fig. Go ahead and start. Will the Kip nip fig. Great work reading with me. Today we worked on Jim's pig. We worked on all of these different sight words. And tomorrow, in the next video, you're going to work again on Jim's pig and do some work with decoding. Great work, friends.